Greetings affiliate marketers, welcome to another review video. Today I am checking out CBEngine. This is the best Clickbank research tool available right now, and it is actually free to use for Clickbank product research. There's also a premium version, so let's quickly check out some of the features when looking for Clickbank products to promote. Over on the left side over here, you can see the current top Clickbank selling products and their gravity right here. And over here on the left side, you can also look for products with the best gains, new products, top gravity, and look at categories of different products. And then over on the right side, you can also look for keywords, like if you're looking for weight loss products, internet marketing products, you can search for those here. Take a look at the categories. I like looking at the categories because it shows me exactly how many products are in each categories, and it also shows you the subcategories for different things. So for example, here under e-business, e-marketing, affiliate products, there's 63, so that's pretty good. And once you click on a category or search for a keyword, I like to regroup my results by the averages. This will give me a nicely organized data set with these columns, and I like to sort it by gravity. So the highest gravity is this current product right here, and that's what's hot right now, what a lot of affiliates are making money with. So I would promote this one right here, and then going down you will see lower gravity. So these are products affiliates are not promoting or not making money with at the moment. Okay, let's do an example for the keyword affiliates, just like that. And now click on search, and here are the results for affiliates. And again, I like to regroup by averages, sort by the highest gravity. And currently this product right here is the best selling product with the highest gravity, $154 per sale. Let's click on it to check it out, and you get these information right here. And the basic information includes gravity, commission 75%, average sales amount, and then you can click here to grab your Clickbank link. So just fill out your Clickbank nickname or your username and a tracking ID, which is optional. Just like this, click on create hop link, and here is your affiliate link to this product. So what exactly does the pro version of CBEngine gives you? The price is $27 for a lifetime membership, and here are the pro features: customize advanced search options, search results, see more of the historical product graphs, ranks and gravities, and basically just more historical data. And you can register for a free 7-day pro membership trial to check it out. And let's do a comparison of what you see and what you don't see with the pro version and the free version. So this product right here, Smoothie Diet, contains this information: first seen in 2014 and name history, along with the popularity historical data. It's only available to the pro members with your pro account. Here you can see the popularity historical data along with the product name change for this product. Since 2014 it changed the product title this many times. And now the next thing, let's check out payouts. And in payout, everything is available to you. All of the things like gravity from back when the product first launched, 2014, it showed everything here. And let's check out graph. There are 837 records since 2014. However, that is only available to the pro membership, and as you can see here, the free membership is limited only to the past 3 data points. And here is the pro account comparison, so you can see gravity data points from 2014 all the way to now, and all these data sets right here. I honestly don't see the point of having this graph right here, since under the payout for the free plan you can already see the gravity right here back in 2014, and you can already make out the data points. So there is no need for the graph right here and limit it to the pro plan. You can already see it in the payout tab. And now for related, this feature is not available or being updated. Now let's take a look at the pro members search features. Pro members do get more search options, so let me check that out right here. You do get to filter your search with these additional filters like gravity, start, rank, change, how many days old, and only if you want to promote products with recurring payments, rebills, a certain amount per sale. So this is useful to filter out low quality products or low paying products. Alright, in this example here, I have my keyword weight loss. I want to filter my results for products that are at least 300 days old. I don't want to promote products that is just hot for a couple months and then disappear. I want something that has been making affiliates money for at least 300 days. And the gravity, I'll just put 5 for now. And average sale amount, I want to make at least $37 per sale. And now let's click on search, and here are all of the products that fit my criteria. They have been established for at least 300 days, and I'll make at least $37 per sale right here. Initial sale amount and gravity at least over 5. So any one of these products I can promote with. So in a nutshell, that is CBEngine. Thanks for viewing. I hope this helps. Be sure to subscribe for more internet marketing tips, tricks, and tutorials. And until next time, happy marketing.